Excellent. The caramelized onions really sets it off. The Ajika Georgian Seasoning Blend gives it a little kick, not spicy, just like a hint of smokiness. The yellow bell peppers, when you cook any type of bell peppers, whether it's red, yellow, green, any color of the rainbow, when you slowly saute it until it gets really nice and soft, and it takes like about 30 minutes. Anytime you slowly cook bell peppers, it brings out this sweetness, and that's what's in here. Now the eggplant, you saw how I prepared it, right? Olive oil or extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it. This right here. So this is rosé, pink peppercorns, and rosemary. This salt is infused with that, and that's what I put on the eggplant. And then I popped it in the air fryer on bake, 350 degrees, about 15 minutes. And it did what it needed to do. You know how eggplant can be bitter? But it wasn't bitter at all. It's also sweet. Not sweet in a sense of like honey sweet, but just the vegetable's natural sweetness. So good. Now, I added yellow squash and zucchini and tomato just to give it a little oomph. And baby, it did what it needed to do. You might be wondering, did it stick in the pan? Only toward the end, because as the natural sugar started to come out, it started to stick a little bit, but that's easy to clean. So I'm gonna try it with some of this bread right here. This baguette that I got from Bread Alley. But yes, child. It is perfect. Simple dish. It just takes a little patience. And then you gotta improvise. You don't have to follow a recipe. I made this all up in my head. Why? Because I had gone out earlier this week for my birthday week. My friends treated me to this Mediterranean place. We had snacks. And they ordered the baby eggplant. And I was like, oh, this is really good. And I was savoring the moment, trying to figure out what they put in there. I didn't taste any Parmesan cheese, but I figured I got some old Parmesan cheese in the fridge. Let me grate that. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Did what it needed to do. I'm gonna go finish this. I'll talk to y'all soon.